Unastahili kuabudiwa.
To God be the glory for the great things He has done in our diocese of Taita Taveta in the construction of our cathedral. So I wish to welcome you to our fundraising, which will be held in 1st October this year, 2020, towards the completion. We have done part of the tiling. Now we're in the process of finishing, but we need to do another fundraising to glorify God for this great work that He has done. So join us in making history, this cathedral becoming the first cathedral ever constructed in the coastal region after the missionary work. Our till number is 199352. Welcome and God bless you.